Ever struggle to place the cursor exactly where you want it while typing? Instead of typing like crazy to fix a typo, try cursor control on your Samsung keyboard. This will turn your keyboard into a mini trackpad. Here's how to enable and use it on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. First, open any app where the keyboard appears, like when you are opening a note. Then tap the settings icon above the keyboard. Scroll down the screen. Tap swipe, touch, and feedback. Tap keyboard swipe control. And then select cursor control. To see how to use this feature, go back to your note. Now, slide your finger left or right across the keyboard. As you can see, the cursor will move smoothly between letters. If you want to select part of the text, tap and hold the shift key or the key you use to type capital letters. And while holding it, slide your finger again to start selecting the text automatically. Given to the function, you can use cursor control when you need to edit precise words or letters, fix typos, or highlight specific text without struggling to tap the exact spot. It's a small feature but a total game changer when typing on the go. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.